Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures Daily Forecast, November 15, FXEmpire.com. As you can see, the Dow Jones came completely undone during the session on Wednesday. This was mainly in response to President Obama doubling down on wanting to raise the tax rates, while the Republican led House of Representatives is more engaged towards closing tax loopholes. With this in mind, the two groups are at extreme ends of the spectrum again, and it does look like the fiscal cliff is a much more serious possibility now than it was just 24 hours earlier. This will be the norm going forward until the end of the year or the deal is signed. Simply put, every time this rallies, or any risk asset rallies for that matter, between now and the end of the year or until a deal is signed, it more than likely will simply present a nice shorting opportunity on the shorter term time frames. The candle closed at the very extremes of the uh, extreme lows of the session on Wednesday, and that almost always means more follow through. Because of this, we look like there's at this chart and see 12,400 as a significant support level. But if that gives way, we think we could fall to 12,000 and much further at that point. The markets are down 5% since President Obama was reelected, which was just a scant few days ago. With this in mind, the market is trying to send a message to the politicians out there. Now it's a question of whether or not they'll listen.